In 1984, the very first landfill ban for gypsum wallboard waste was enacted. The provincial government of British Columbia wanted not only to reduce solid waste disposal in the province, but was actively evaluating recyclable materials and seeking reprocessing capabilities. It was a natural fit for the owners of a company that was already in the construction waste hauling and demolition business. New West Gypsum Recycling was born out of a need to reprocess and recycle gypsum wallboard production scrap and construction waste. We are one of the first companies to return waste products back into valuable resources. Now, 3 decades later, New West Gypsum Recycling has the highest quality recycled gypsum material in the industry. As a wallboard manufacturer, what does this mean for you? Assurance. Consistent quality feedstock that meets your specifications. Efficiency. A proven operational model that can recycle your production scrap while giving your customers an opportunity to responsibly recycle their wallboard waste. Reduced risk. Blended material provides a better quality and more consistent product. Experience. New West Gypsum Recycling leads the way in world-class technical and safety standards with our patented processes, advanced equipment, and highly skilled teams at each of our facilities. Conservation. Using premium recycled gypsum in your wallboard production lowers your costs, conserves natural resources, and responsibly endorses sustainable practices. Advanced technology. We are the only gypsum recycler who can efficiently process wet and dry gypsum material. Using our system, you can achieve more than 99% recovery. After partnering with us and setting up a processing plant, New West Gypsum Recycling will accept gypsum offcuts and waste from public sources, collecting a tipping fee. Additionally, manufacturers turn over wet and dry production scrap for reprocessing. These materials are sorted to rid the stock of any foreign content and processed to separate the gypsum powder from the paper liner. The recovered gypsum is then transferred back to the manufacturer for new wallboard production. The paper, metal, and other recovered materials enter their own recycling stream. By partnering with us, you get the benefits of our patented process and our 30 years of experience. You save by paying low fees for disposal of production scrap and for premium recovered product. Our process and testing ensures less than 1% paper in the recycled gypsum. The gypsum industry has a product recycling challenge that is getting bigger every year. Let me provide an example. In 2010, the total available market for worldwide recycled material was somewhere in the neighborhood of 11 million metric tons. Of that number, more than half came from deconstruction and renovation projects. The other half came from new construction and current production scrap. Let's take a step forward and extrapolate what that's going to look like in less than 20 years, given the massive increase in production and use of gypsum wallboard products globally. The number will more than double to almost 20 million metric tons of gypsum material that will need to be recycled in order to stay out of a landfill or one-time use. Most industries would say that this is a good problem to have, but it takes planning and technological effort today to ensure that this level of recycled content is going to be acceptable in the production models of tomorrow. Extended producer responsibility tariffs are becoming a worldwide norm for product lifecycle management. We can help you minimize exposure to these devices by operational practices that optimize reutilization and effectively produce audit trails for you and your customers. Some wallboard manufacturers have specified feedstock parameters to 1 millimeter. New West Gypsum Recycling leads the industry by consistently producing material meeting this specification. We care about the environment and want to do our part to help make responsible decisions to positively affect where we live.
We have a strong sustainability charter with Certainty and the Saint-Gobain group of companies, which motivates us to pursue avenues which help us reach our environmental goals. One way we do this is working with New West Gypsum Recycling. Our relationship goes back to 1986.
We manage the waste, we understand the waste, we know exactly how to deal with it.
New West Gypsum has a proven business model. It's worked for 3 decades. We value and respect our strong industry relationships. We are Gypsum Recycling. We look forward to talking to you about this shared opportunity. Lower your costs, increase your product efficiencies, and ultimately lower your risk. For more information on New West Gypsum Recycling, visit our website at www.nwgypsum.com. Email us info@nwgypsum.com